Hi and congratulations to your Animus Heart. In the box you will find a gateway, and you will also find a manual. Please read it carefully before you start. A power adapter and also an Ethernet cable. First I need to power it up, and then I need to connect it to my local network with the Ethernet cable. So I'll just connect it to my router here. Now the next step is to bring up the mobile app and finish the installation through that.
So now we need to download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once it's downloaded, open up the app, and the app will now search for Animus Heart in the same network. So make sure your phone is connected to the same local network or Wi-Fi that your Animus Heart is. And now you will be guided through a registration setup. So register your account, and after that you will be following a simple overview guide of what you can do with your Animus Heart, and also set up a few other settings like your home name and also the time and place. So now you can go to the dashboard or set up your home layout, and you're done. Enjoy!